Hi, this is Apostle Mechanico right here in Paola, Kansas, in the beautiful sanctuary of Friendship Faith Ministry. I just want to let you know, July the 13th at 11 a.m. right here, we're having our Men of Excellence Conference. And our theme this year is Men That Praise. Oh, what an awesome time. We're expecting God to move. We got a great man of God, Bishop Eric Morrison, all the way from Kansas City, Missouri. He brings a word every year, and the house just be tore up. Men be all laying all over the floor, just enjoying the Lord, receive a great word. They coming from all over. Cameron, Missouri, Kansas City, Missouri, Kansas City, Kansas, Paola, Kansas, Osawatomie, Topeka. All over they coming. Come and join us. We're expecting a great time. In the name of Jesus, be blessed.